Folks, there's nothing quite like the sight of a lush green lawn with those perfect stripes running across it. It's the kind of detail that turns heads and makes you feel like your yard could just, be featured on the cover of a lawn care magazine. Well, today is close to Halloween, and I'm going to take you through the process of using this roller that I have on the back of my lawnmower to stripe your lawn. By the end, you'll be ready to do something like this yourself. At the heart of this process is basically the lawn roller. This is assuming that the tool might look simple, but it's kind of paired with a quality more. My Toro 30-inch is a powerhouse. I've had it, I think, for about 6 or 7 years. And then the roller works by bending the grass in opposite directions in each pass. And what you're seeing here is I'm doing a double stripe. So I'm doing what they call a 21, or you do a double one way and then one stripe the other way. And before starting, you might want to take the roller's weight and evenly distribute it. Or you get one of these rollers like I have where you just go and you purchase it. And I'll have that in the comments below. When it's time to start striping though, have a clear game plan on your pattern. What I usually do is I'll go 2 cuts the same direction, and then the next 2 cuts I'll go in opposite direction. So say I cut on a Monday and a Wednesday, that'll be the same direction. Then if I cut on a Saturday and the next Tuesday, that'll be a different direction. Each way you go has its own visual impact, so that's why I do it that way. The way to get them straight is, you have to pick like a spot that's way down, and you just focus on that spot and you go straight forward. Or you can start right by the curb, make that your first pass, because usually your curb of your lawn is, concrete and it's straight. When you finish the pass, just turn real carefully, avoid digging that roller down into the dirt, and then just come back the other way. But once you get done, I want you to step back and see those clean, crisp stripes. It gives a huge sense of satisfaction. So get your roller on the back of your lawnmower and get ready for a Halloween sleigh. This has been the Lawn Jenkins. Thanks.